Docker or Kubernetes? Which is the ultimate tool for data science? A question that may have crossed your mind as a data scientist or aspiring data scientist. Docker and Kubernetes are powerful tools in the realm of data science, instrumental in managing, deploying, and scaling applications. They help us tame the complexity of our work and bring order to the chaos. So, let's dive deeper and explore both Docker and Kubernetes in the context of data science. First up, we have Docker, a platform that packages an application and its dependencies into a virtual container that can run on any Linux, Windows, or Mac system. In the realm of data science, Docker brings numerous benefits to the table. For starters, its portability is a game changer. With Docker, you can create a container with your application and dependencies and run it anywhere. This means less time wrestling with system-specific issues and more time crunching numbers and generating insights. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Docker is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech wizards. It offers a straightforward way to package applications, making it easier to share and replicate your work. This can be particularly handy in data science, where reproducibility is often a must. And let's not forget about speed. Docker containers are lightweight and fast. They can be booted up in seconds, which can make a real difference when you're dealing with large datasets and complex computations. However, Docker isn't without its limitations. One big one is its lack of orchestration for managing multiple containers. If you're working with a large, complex system with lots of interdependent containers, Docker alone might not cut it. While Docker indeed has its perks, it isn't without its flaws. But what about Kubernetes? Could it be the better tool for data science? Enter Kubernetes, an open-source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of applications. Dive into the world of Kubernetes, and you'll find an impressive platform that's robust, scalable, and powerful. It's a tool that's made waves in the data science community, and for good reason. One of Kubernetes' main draws is its orchestration capabilities. It effortlessly manages your application's lifecycle, making sure that your app is up and running, even when you're not around to keep an eye on things. This can be a game changer in data science, where applications often need to be available around the clock. Kubernetes also excels in scalability. It's designed to handle growth, allowing you to easily scale up or down depending on your needs. This means you can accommodate larger datasets or more complex computations without breaking a sweat. Let's not forget about Kubernetes' robust ecosystem. With a wide array of plugins and integrations, it's a platform that's constantly evolving and adapting to meet the needs of its users. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Kubernetes does have a steep learning curve. Its complexity can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. And while its robustness is a strength, it can also be a drawback, as it often requires a lot of resources to run effectively. Kubernetes, with its impressive features, does come with its own set of challenges. So, which tool should you choose for your data science needs? When it comes to choosing between Docker and Kubernetes, there is no definitive answer. The choice depends on your specific needs and circumstances. We've journeyed through the intricacies of both Docker and Kubernetes, exploring their unique capabilities and functionalities. Docker, with its lightweight containers and straightforward simplicity, offers a robust platform for packaging, shipping, and running applications. It's ideal for those who prioritize a streamlined, easy-to-use interface and seek a tool that can efficiently manage individual containers. On the other hand, Kubernetes, with its orchestration power and scalability, excels in managing complex multi-container setups. It shines in situations where you need to coordinate a fleet of containers, ensuring they work together seamlessly. Kubernetes is a go-to choice for those who need to manage large-scale, complex applications. Both Docker and Kubernetes have their strengths and weaknesses. Docker might appeal more to those seeking simplicity and efficiency, while Kubernetes could be the better choice for those dealing with complex, large-scale projects. It's a bit like choosing between a sleek sports car and a powerful truck. Both vehicles have their unique strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on the road you're about to take. So, Docker or Kubernetes? The ultimate tool for data science is the one that best suits your project's needs. To wrap up, Docker and Kubernetes are both powerful tools in the realm of data science. Docker, with its simplicity and efficiency, provides an excellent environment for app development and deployment, It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly user-friendly. On the other hand, Kubernetes, despite its complexity, offers robust orchestration capabilities. It's the go-to tool for managing, scaling, and deploying containerized applications on a large scale. But here's the thing. There's no definitive answer to which is better. The choice between Docker and Kubernetes hinges on your specific project requirements, your team's expertise, and your overall objectives. It's akin to choosing between a scalpel and a Swiss Army knife. Both are invaluable tools, but their effectiveness depends on the task at hand. So go ahead, dive deep into Docker, get your hands dirty with Kubernetes. Explore these amazing technologies and choose the one that best fits your needs. Remember, the best tool is the one that helps you achieve your goals efficiently. Docker or Kubernetes, the choice is yours to make.